I don't know what to tell you. I've gone from 0 to 100 already. I'm really feeling myself in this wig. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I customize my synthetic wigs. So as you can see, when you first receive it and you get it out of the box or whatever it comes in, it's a little bit flicky outy and you know, I don't know, some people might like that look. That's not for me, especially with this middle part in. I'm not really a middle part in type of girl really. Stay tuned and I will show you how I customize this wig. First, I'll start by straightening it. Now, you can straighten synthetic hair. I know back in the day you never used to be able to and it would singe, but yeah, now you can straighten synthetic hair. So if you do it on a really low heat, I do it on 180 degrees. Now I say that's a really low heat, but I think that's a heat that you should be using. 180 degrees is kind of the standard heat for natural hair anyway. So I'm not going to be too fancy with section knit or anything because I don't feel like it really needs that. It's mostly the bottom of my hair that I'm interested in straightening. So I'm just going to go in with my hair straighteners and then I will show you how I make it look a bit more realistic. So because it's practically straight already, I don't really need to go in and section it too much, but I am just straightening out the ends because I feel like the ends are rather flicky, so that's not really my style per se. I will do a side part as well, but for the time being I'm just focusing on getting those ends a little bit straighter. So yeah, as you can see, they're getting there. Maybe they're a little bit too straight. Ooh, now I've got a kink in it. Either way, such a lovely colour. It is such a beautiful colour. I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to be wearing this. Like, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think, because I feel like the pink one was quite out there. This one is even more out there. It's more out there than the pink one. Yeah, well that's what I think anyway. You guys let me know what you think about this. So now I've straightened it. What's the back like? What's the back looking like? So now I've straightened it, I am just going to give myself a side part and see how that looks. For me, I feel like this wig looks super duper wiggy anyway. Like, I would really need to go in and pluck a bit more. I say pluck a bit more like I've plucked any. I haven't plucked any out of this wig. But yeah, I would need to go in and pluck out some of this hairline. So if you are looking for a bit more of a realistic hairline, then you can do that as well. But again, I haven't done that with this wig. But I'm just giving myself a side part still. So bear with me. I mean, I don't think it's really having it, is it? Look at this. It's not really, it's not interested in complying. Okay. So now that I've given it a side part, I feel a little bit more comfortable wearing this wig. I really like it now. I really like it now. I straightened it. I don't know what to tell you. I've gone from 0 to 100 already. I'm really feeling myself in this wig. The next part is to get rid of the shine in the wig. So some synthetic wigs still come really shiny. Like this one, if you can see, it's just really reflected the light. And I don't think anyone's hair looks that healthy. So what I do is I go in with some baby powder. It doesn't matter the brand, it's just baby powder. Don't just like fling it all over your head, because that's when you're just gonna end up with, you're just gonna struggle to blend that all in. So what I tend to do is I'll shake it out in my hand and then I will rub my hands together and then kind of just go through it that way to get rid of that shine. Obviously you can see at the moment You can still see white bits, so yeah, you can just stroke it through the hair until you've got rid of the shine. Do this as much as you want to. Currently I feel like it's going static though, so that's not, you don't want your hair to go too static, because if it starts going static then it's just going to be flying away everywhere. I'm just getting talcum powder everywhere. That's this video basically done. It was a fairly simple customization video. So you just basically use straighteners on a really low heat and use talcum powder to get rid of the shine. If you want to wear curls in a straight synthetic wig, then there are ways of doing that also, but let me know if you want me to do a video and I will show you how you can do that too. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will leave all the links for everything down below. See you later. Bye bye.